Welcome back again to another segment of The Mix, and Gracie is still in the mix today as she calls out Mixup boss. Man, the struggle is real. The intensity of what's going on here is real. There is no doubt this is going to be a saga, and it's going to continue for a little while. So just open your eyes and, watch out for this big one. Gracie explains that she put Damien on a stick. She pushed him up on a stick, and now he's going against her. She said, "I pushed you up on a stick for you come kill me." She called out Damien to let him know that his views are going to go down just like hers. A go down for go down. I think your views them they go up and my one them go down for go down. She explains that Dwayne and Ari cannot be telling lies on him, and also that the messages that he sent to her does not tell lies on him. So anything that's happening, she's gonna go different places and speak about him, and his name will stop me calling, so his views are gonna go down.
So I'm supposed to get take Mixup this morning. Your nation is on a draw crowd. Cause him not know for draw it like me. Nation is on a draw crowd for me today. Draw crowd. You come attack, not when you talk don't make no sense. Why you see your views them a go down? You think that me will push your pants with tick? You not gonna come fight against me. And for your views them stand strong. And for me go down? You're mad. Go down for go down. If me going down, you're coming down with me. Worse when me know sir you will bring me down. Worse when me know you are the tick for bring me down. Me see you all over, all the roaming one over there, so. But through my roam all over the place, I mean, I look upon him, I mean, I pencil him. Me now go pencil him this morning. Because he's not relevant. But me I go pencil you this morning because you come and you address my name. Addressing Gracie and her lies. So much people could have tell lie upon you. Come no Damien. So much people upon you could have tell lie upon you. Your voice note them when you sell me could have tell lie upon you. Eh? So much people upon you could have tell lie upon you. Eh? And some of the nationals them know no lie me I tell. Cause when you get the strike one them time me never used to call Miss D. And them, so one of them same one beg reach out to her for you. Until me start talk to her, me ask her if big your pants. So Damien then so much people could have tell lie upon you. Ari not tell no lie upon you when you see talk. Me not tell no lie upon you. Do we not tell no lie upon you? You're wicked. You're wicked. Me push you up with thick and you want to pull me down. But she knows some of that work. You run go pan life for draw crowd over YouTube. Now bring the crowd pan me. Cause everybody know all you are liar than wicked. Everybody know me push up with tick. And you come and be the sheep for kill me. You never know. You never know me that go come out pan you. Eh? You never know me that go ride your back. Me I either for sing and take lick from you, me not lick your back. You go over Shanti, you go everywhere. You see him one time, say you tell Shanti, say, make you. Ari, we not tell no lie upon him, and me not look upon him neither. You see him one time, say you tell Shanti, say, make you post him content, and Shanti asks you for where your page name, and you tell Shanti, and them and a wally part thing me see happen over here, and I don't know how Shanti know. You was the whistling bird that go over shanty car things go on. Eh? Why you do it? Why you bitter so? That's why when I find Matlock picture, me never show you. Because you say you have Matlock picture a long time. You just tell me you have Matlock picture a long time. And you say you nah give me. Because you hold up and you never want shanty good on. You are wicked. When Matlock go down there, man, members say, Matty, I am baby mother, a sister, a best friend. When Matty go down, you stand at the back, and you go like you know nothing. You have Matty picture, you know Matty stay a long time. And you saw me bring out Matty picture now, you do like you know nothing about it. Damian, you are wicked. You, Damian, you are wicked. You talk about who are wicked. You are wicked, Damian. Me take push you up for come kill me. Me take push you up in the ear for come kill me. You are wicked, Damian. Are we supposed to talk? Because some of the time when you talk the things them and me, you want him there on the phone. So I'm supposed to talk. Damian Harris supposed to talk and I'm supposed to buy out arguments. Me, you and him the pan phone and the way I'm supposed to talk to. Because me make the way make you even start posting in him group. You know, I have to come and cuss bad word for do it. Because I come with logic and facts. You told me, you tell people so I lie, me I tell you, never tell me my mother. I play the voice note them because we don't come and road without receipts. We don't come and roll without receipt. We don't come and roll without receipt. And if anything, my nation has them not sure, them sure I want things. So when Gracie says something, if Gracie don't have evidence, she don't chat. So I mean, I know where you try. Where you try, Damian? What dub plate you get? Who make you get the dub them? Who make you get the dub plate them? Mr. talk plainly, so Gracie tell her, I talk the good things them boy you. I vex to the people them not cheer for you no more, cause I Gracie make them not cheer for you, them stop cheer for you. She tell her, she say, me not gonna make you Gracie me say me not call him name over here again, cause him this you. Why your name not call no way me I go see tweet that your name not gonna away. You are go down, you're too outsider. Okay. You should give me 5 minutes more because I'm not going to do it with them the whole day. It not come out the wall at the time. Because I'm Gracie alone against the wall. My back against the wall and nobody not come out to talk about Gracie. But true you see Harry come out last night now you say what? Gracie gets strength. So me going to come out from Gracie this morning. Damian it not going to work. Wicked Damian it not going to work. Wicked Damian, it not go work. It not going to work, Damian. It not go work. I mean, not going to give you too much time because I'm at work. I mean, not going to make my work make you come before it. You're not going to come before my work this morning, Damian. You are wicked. You cut my slippers bottom. When time you get the dub plate them, you cut them and you put them before you front of your video them. And you both on me a mistake, anyone knows on me to tell her to call your name, though. You never know me call her at all and beg for you. Them time they you walk your good money too. And I make them sorry for you. Because you say you not walk, so I just buy the same thing and say you not walk. Because you're my friend. And me say, you now walk you have to pick them for mine. Lie! But true Gracie now wicked. And all of a sudden the same thing when me push up. I go tell me say me bad mind. And I go YouTube for draw a crowd for me them and you can't do it. You come under my shadow. Remember say under my shadow you come. And me now go teach you everything. Me now go teach you everything. Me no idiot. We not teach people everything. We draw back something for ourselves. Them men don't do it. Nation has buy me now go stay long. Sooner or later. Sooner or later, because I coming back. Him draw me if come back, I coming back. I coming back later for talk. Because I now go silent me pan ya. Me not have to curse, but me think the truth is an offense. But it's not a sin. And lady who report the page and say, oh, and I rejoice about it, first laugh and a laugh. Remember the page is going to come back. It must come back in the name of Jesus. An idiot girl, patient to say, are you an idiot girl? You an idiot girl, most of them are Francis, how you want name?
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel.